Koktisalo Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi Chakrama Haikheba Chabi Mura Mwtaio Thwithangjak Maharaja Amar Manikya Bahadur ni Mangthong Phiyogwi Rwkha hani Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma. TTAADC ni suba hani Bubagra rokno muito khlaye borokni Mangthong inauguration khlaisagoi dong hasne talbidal thayo aba kinu Koktisalo Kaisa Panda Bisingtwi Chakrama Haikheba Chabi Mura Thwithangjak Maharaja Amar Manikya Bahadur ni Mangthong Phiyogwi Rwkha hani Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma.
Tini Koktisalo ni Shalo, Chini Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma, Tai the Promothani, State Minister, Bisingtwi Debbarma, Obahakina TTAADC ni former CEO, CK Jamatia, Tai Dalbidal, Obahai TTAADC ni Joto administrative officials of Fire, Sokpajak Tabuk, Amarpur ni Chabi Mura Thayo, Haikheba Amarpur ni Chakrama Mwtaio. Oro tini Chakrama Mwtaio Phai Bubagra sak baktang phai ani ungkologo nogiman khana Chini Thwithangnai Chini late Maharaja Amar Manikya ni Mangthong no tini oro Bubagra sak baktang phai ne unveil khlai rekha. Oboni yaglo tabuk oro Bubagra okamini amsani lukurok bai kok sawi tongo tai okamini khorokcha ochai okra ba bai priest ba mahai je Mwtaio ni samung khlai tongnai rok bai malai kok sai tongo tai orni amsani lukurok bai hani bongni dukhu kosto ni korok khanai tongo bo oboni yagulo chung Bubagra ne tinin tebu schedule tongo tai kubun thai rok bo thangai aro jaga bike rally rok na thangai tongo tai kubungma political campaign ni koekta event na thangai tongo abo sengong no funan chai toi tongo chung ani angnel Debbarma ani logi cameraman Pravir tai boyar sing phai sok pajak tabuk Amarpur area wa Omon bagit norok chawi nai tungne Chini Khorang mangple chung trek tini ni tam event na thangai tung abusung no phuna bagai thangai tung aba haikino hani Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma shaka Chini hasini live mabai kurungjak berai kharai thaino di tabung ni tourism modri Susanto Sodri kaham kinu samukhlai tongo hanai
I think more and more information is coming out. Under the tourism minister Sushanta Chaudhary, a lot of infrastructure has been made, and just because we are fighting an election in the next few weeks, I don't want to criticize the tourism minister for the sake of criticism. He has done a lot of good work. If you see it in Matabari, if you see it even here, infrastructure development is coming up. I was recently in Jampui. I saw the Eden guest house, very well done. So I believe that good work is being done. It was a propaganda by the communists for many years not to highlight the work of our ancestors in our past, but efforts have been made, and I think more effort will be made, and I think if we are also included in some of the decision making, we'll be happy. But overall, I think information is flowing out, and I think what it needs is us to coordinate properly. But nevertheless, let me say that under Sushanta Chaudhary, tourism department has done very well despite financial crunch, and what you need is young people, young ministers who have different ideas to become part and be given a free hand so that they can develop Tripura. Tripura has huge potential in tourism, especially religious, cultural tourism, and if we can use that to our advantage, it will benefit the poor people, the common people, not only in Agartala but in the villages and in rural parts of Tripura as well.
Ashuni Panda hani Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma no karibu manjaka Minister Bisingtwi Debbarma TTAADC former CEO CK Jamatia MDC Shodakor Kolino Khobo te Kobanatong Chabi Mura Nushimi Nelson Logio Probir Debarni Koktum Chini Khorang.